honest to the people around you. Like, you can't go around backstabbing people.
A good leader should be a good listener and must learn to cooperate with all his team members.
He should be responsible and righteous to all the people who are under him.
A good leader should be very good in communication, and he should be very supportive. He should be a very good supporter for his team members.
Being able to reach out to the people in the group and having trust among them.
A leader should be responsible not only for himself but also for his teammates. He or she is supposed to be democratic and not be like a dictator.
The leader should be a good listener, because if you're a good listener and you listen to everybody, you learn something new, and when you learn something new, you want to implement it. And when you implement something new, something good happens and makes you feel happy about you being a leader.